Ketty and Dickson. I'm so proud of you guys. I wish you the very best in life. May this last for a lifetime.
First of all, let me give thanks to the Almighty God for this day that we have looked for in the past 6 months. I am proud, I am happy, I am delighted to have my daughter Ketty being offered for a hand of marriage to my son-in-law to be, Dickson. And I am wishing them a very, very, very happy union. My daughter, I love you. My daughter, I love you. My daughter, I love you and I love you to the end.
Sam.
Who knew that I'd be standing right here with you? Who knew?
Congratulations, my sister and Dickson, for this wonderful day that has come. I've known you, Ketty, since you were young. Until now, you're getting married. Congratulations and wish you nothing but the best. Dickson, please take care of them.
Now that Ketty is with us, she's ours now. Thank you for just giving us Ketty. You're so happy. My name is Flora Kanini, as you hand auntie to Dickson and our pretty kids. We are so humbled. To Ketty and Dick, congratulations. We are happy for you. This is a milestone to your life. I know you've been staying together. What I'll tell you today is continue being there for each other. Continue being good friends. Ketty, Dick should not be on your husband only. He should be your best friend. And put God first.
kuwa, imekwisha kuwa. Sasa focus kwa familia yako, focus kwa ndoa yako. Na hii ndoa Ketty ina mbinu moja, vile alikuwa amesema, it is what you make. Huyu jamaa anaitwa Dickson will no longer be your boyfriend. He will soon convert your husband. Learn how to take care of your husband.
Around and know that is love. I know I give it every single thing